please.
At Total Energies, we know filling up is expensive, which is why when you spend 500 Rand or more with us, you could win a 3,000 Rand fuel voucher. That's 21 winners a week, 3 winners announced every day. It could be you. Check out Total Energies social media for daily winners and more ways to win with Total Energies. TNCs apply.
The festive season at Rochester is all about incredible deals and so much choice. Browse through a stylish range of furniture pieces and enjoy huge savings that even Santa would be impressed with. The extensive range means that you'll find exactly what suits your taste, and festive deals means you'll get more for less. It's not just furniture, it's Rochester.
Our student teachers graduate with skills fit for the 21st century classroom. If you want to be a highly skilled teacher, you can with the Mancosa School of Education. 25 years expertise in distance and online education. Dream it, we'll take you there. A proud member of Honors United Universities. To enroll, visit mancosa.co.za.
Is it normal for always be traffic over here? Is that normal, the traffic?
Or more Goodyear branded tires until 15 December. You'll have that Friday feeling all day,
my first time coming to this
only
part.
valid on Goodyear branded tires, 15-inch and
First time coming over to this part of Pretoria.
T's and C's apply.
Yeah.